Hey guys, until now still drunk. Eh, naka-uli na ko ha. And hindi ako nagstay dito ng ang inom kitchen bill. Guys, good morning. Good morning to me and yeah, everyone. I have a friend here. He's still sleeping. Time check, it's like around 9 o'clock in the morning. Actually, I'm not in my condo. I'm in my condo's friend. Yeah, we're here at One Oasis. Yeah, look. I love the mirror. In fairness. And also here. See, it's so nice. Yeah. I will try to see the outside. Just wanted to, I think the view is so nice. As in, literal. Let's see. Okay. Kay kanina, I already go there and to see. Oh my God, the pool is so nice. As in, literal. Let's see. Let's go. Look. Parang I like the design of the pool. It's so nice. See? Unlike on the horizon. Well. The weather is so hot. I think that's a basketball court over there. Not the clubhouse. That one. And of course the swimming pool. I think this is the building 5. Yeah, in the 6th floor. It was my first time here, guys. Actually, it's nice. But strict lang ilahang card. I mean, ilang ka sa strict. Dili ka basta-basta makasulod or what. Yeah. See, it's so nice. Actually. I love the pool. I wanted to go there. I swear. I wanted to swim. God. I wanted to swim.
Hi guys!
Parang feel na ko. It's, yung maganda yung pool nila. Unlike sa horizon. Promise. I love it. Nice. I'm so sleepy actually. No, actually, nakauwi kami kanina umaga. It's like around 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, 3 o'clock in the morning. Yung ang condo nila kay Turo. There and there. Nice kita sa mirror. Yeah. But I wait. Do I look fresh or not? Tell me honestly. Just comment down below. Just as in, nice ang ilahan. Natsuya ko silang pool. I wanted to, you know, something like, come on, baby, 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 oh, like.
So guys, karon kay gamat naman ni among mga kauban hinanok og tog. So every person has their own caption in life. So let's start to our very own first lady. Ano siya guys? Ang first lady sa Lapu-Lapu City. Siya si Sandy Chan the second. Ano siya guys? Kaning sunbathing siya guys. It's kay Blair. Look at the view. Sunbathing there. OFW sa Qatar. Sunbathing. Look at the view. Ara ang view sa ubos anay. Nana siya pool sa ubos. For sure. O na pool sa ubos. So, nag-sunbathing siya. Sleep well. Gitugnaw siya guys. Kawa man nagsanina. Kani siya. Pure top. Kani pure bottom. Ay. Daddy. Pure top siya guys. Niya ako kay anak sa Ginoo.
Hey guys, we're still here sa hindi namin condo. Yeah, with them. Yeah.
BBM.
Yeah.
BBM yun ka doon. Saan na BM yun? BBM?
Ako nang middle name of Shern.
Sorry.
Ito mo na siya. Ito mo.
Ray B. Montefort. Sa lahat.